Just one word can make new question. Okay. Why do you like to play? It's a good question, right? Here you go. Okay. How? A very cute question. How do you like to play? I like to play strongly. Hi Piranti, how are you today?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm great. So what is the lesson today?
My lesson is using do.
Very good. Do. So today we are going to make a lot of questions, right?
Yes.
So you can also add WS question before this word. Can you try? Come on, let's see. Okay, first sentence. Ami jai.
I go.
Ami skule jai.
I go to school.
I go to, okay, go to school. I go to school. Okay, we can make it question.
Yes.
তুমি কি স্কুলে যাও?
Do you go to school?
See? Do you go to school? Right?
Yes.
So there is a do. Very important. Very important. There is a do. All right. So do. For making question, you have to know do. Okay? Do you go to school? Right? Do you go to school?
It's a school.
Then more question. See, magic. More question. তুমি কখন স্কুলে যাও?
When do you go to school?
That's simple. Just before. You have to add. You have to add just when. Nothing else. No change. No change. No change. Just when. When do you go to school? When do you go to school? And also you can change this question. তুমি কিভাবে স্কুলে যাও?
How do you go to school?
Simple. Clap for her. Okay? Just see. Just how. How do you go to school? Simple. Okay. Let's try another one. Okay. তুমি কার সাথে স্কুলে যাও?
With whom do you go to school?
Just simple. With whom? Right. Just with whom. See? With whom. Just add WS question before do. Simple. Okay. Let's try another one. Okay. তুমি কি ভ্রমণ করো?
Do you visit?
That's it. কখন করো?
When do you visit?
Just simple. Just when do you visit? Okay? Okay. তুমি কি বই পড়ো?
Do you
See.
read books?
See, do you
Read
books? Okay. তুমি কখন বই পড়ো?
When do you
Just when. Just when.
When do you read books?
তুমি কিভাবে বই পড়ো?
How do you read books?
Just how. Okay? Then তুমি কোথায় পড়ো?
Where do you
Just
read books?
where. Just where. See, very simple, right?
Yes.
Very simple. Just do before do. You have to add WS question. You can meet a lot of questions. Okay?
Yes.
Okay? Ready? Okay, let's see. Okay, make another one. Come on, come here. Come here. Okay. So, take it. Here you go. Okay. Just ask some question about daily life.
Your life.
Okay, daily life. Okay. Go on.
I can ask you some question too.
Can I?
Can I ask you some question? Yes, you can. Okay. When do you get up?
See?
I get
The question
up.
started. When do you is very important. When do you get up?
I get up early in the morning. When do you brush your teeth?
See? When do you brush your teeth? Is it right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I brush my teeth at 8 a.m.
Okay.
When do you go to school?
Very good. When do you go to school? Fantastic.
I go to school at 9 a.m.
Okay.
When do you return home? I come back home at 1 p.m.
Okay.
When do you take your lunch? I take my lunch at 2 p.m.
Okay.
Do you play your friends?
See? Do you play with your friends? Do you play with your friends, right? Okay. Do. Answer.
Yes, I play with my friends.
Very good.
What times do you do?
When do you play? Just when. Do you play? Just at when.
When do you do your homework?
Okay.
I do my homework at 8 p.m.
Okay.
When do you go to school?
No.
Sorry. When do you
It's
go?
okay. It's okay. It's okay. No problem. No problem. You're the best boy. Okay.
When do you go to SpeakUp? Yes, I go
No. Yes. When? When do you go to speak up?
I go to
When do you come to speak up?
I go to SpeakUp at 7 p.m.
Okay.
When do you watch TV? I watch TV at 9 p.m. When do you take your dinner?
Very
I
good.
take my dinner at 10:30 p.m.
Good.
When do you go to bed? I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Very good. So, what is this? Just do and WH questions. Just do and WH questions. Just do and WH
question.
Just do. Okay.
Okay.
Can you try?
Yes.
Can you try? Can you try? Okay. So, come on. I write here do. Do you? Okay. Do you read? That's it. So, who can make a new question? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Do
Come
you
on.
please?
Come on. Come on. I'm coming, Baba. Let me finish this. Okay. Make a new question. Over there. Over there. Make this. Oh. No. Over there. Just right over there. Okay. Okay. Make a new question. Okay. Who can try?
Sir,
Who can
what
try?
this?
Come on. Come on. Okay. Thank you. Come on. Come on. Make a new question. There you go. It's good. It's good. When do you? Fantastic. Now, who can change this question? Come on.
Sir.
Come on. Angel. 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 So, okay. Oh my gosh, she's so clever.
How?
How? Very good.
How?
New question. Let's see. You wanna make? Come on. Come on. Okay, go on. New question. Just use your pen. Okay. Here you go. Here you go. Good. Very good. Why do you read? Very good. Yes. This place is very important. This place is very important. If you change here, new question will come out. New question. Very fantastic, right?
Yes.
That's it. Okay. Come on, go on. So, thank you. Do you like to play? Oh my God, I like it. So,
Sorry.
who can try? Who can try? New. You wanna try? Here you go.
What do you like
Okay.
to play?
Just pen. Just pen. Okay. 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 What's the question? Read out.
When do you
Like?
like to play?
When do you like to play?
When do you like to
When do
play?
you like to?
Play.
New question. Thank you. Have a seat. Okay. Come on. Can you try? Here you go. Just pen. Okay. Okay. Just pen. Here you go. Okay. How A very cute question. How do you like to play? I like to play strongly. Okay, how do you like to play? Did you understand? New question. Come on. Come on. Just one word can make new question. Okay. Here you go, Ma. Okay. Why do you like to play? It's a good question, right? Thank you. Okay, come on. Come on, no. Everyone, you can try. Come on. Come on. You try it. Come on. Do you want to try? Oh my God. Very good. Just use pen. Okay. Over here. Right now. What is this? What is this? What is this? Can you read out? Who? Is who? Is who? Are you sure? What is this? Sorry. It's not okay. I have to cross over here. Check. Go and check. Okay. Okay, come on. Come on. Wait. Just pen. What is this? Okay, let's see. Ma'am, there's a question already. How did you write something like that? See? Same question. No, same question. Okay. Okay, let's see. Come on. Wait. Let's see. Make. Just pen. Use pen. Only pen. Okay. Here you go. Very good. Where do you like to play? It's a good question, right?
Yeah.
She did it. Okay. Good. So answer all these questions. When do you like to play?
I like to play at evening.
Okay. In the evening.
And then
How do you like to play?
I like to play with my friends
Very good. Nicely. I like to play strongly. Why do you like to play?
because it's entertain me.
Okay. It's my hobby. Okay. Then, where do you like to play?
I like to play in my home.
Very good. Very good. Clap for her. Okay. It's interesting, right? So, we did it. Just do and WH question. Then new question, right? Okay, fine. Thank you.